In this video, we're going to show you how to replace a downstream O2 sensor on your Volkswagen Passat. This is going to be located on top of the exhaust, behind the motor. Let's get started. Using a T15 bit, we're going to remove the two screws for the intake. Do the same thing on the other side. Pull the intake back off of the plastic trim. Using a pair of pliers, pinch the clamp and pull it down. Remove the intake boot off the intake. We're going to grab either side of our intake and pull straight up. And remove the intake. We're going to push on the tab that's on my forefinger, push straight back, and remove the connector. Pop the connector out of the bracket. You should be able to lift it straight up. If you're unable to, get it to start wiggling, and then get a flat blade screwdriver in between the bottom of the bracket and the connector and pull it up. We're going to open up the plastic stays for our harness. You just have to get under the tab and pull it back. We have two of them. Do it to both of them and pull the harness out. Pop the harness out of the metal clip. Pull on the tab in the back. Pull it out. Using a 22mm O2 socket, we're going to get it around the O2 sensor. Remove the old O2 sensor. Install the new O2 sensor. While you're threading this in, you don't want your harness to get tangled or rolled up on itself. So as you're installing it, be sure you're twisting the harness along with the sensor. Get the sensor nice and tight. You'll feel the crush washer crush, and then you can go a little bit more and you'll be at a full stop. Install the harness into the bracket. Install the harness into the plastic connectors. Snap them back closed. I'm going to pull the plastic stay connector off of my connector and then install it down into the bracket. Install the connector, push until you hear a click. If you don't, give it a pull, make sure it's locked on. We're going to take any of our extra harness, we're going to wrap it up nicely, and we will put a cable tie around this. Using a pair of cutters, we're going to cut the tail off, reinstall the intake. Install the intake into place, push down on the 4 rubber grommets in the corners and lock them into their posts. Install the boot onto the intake. Be sure that it's fully installed. Pinch the clamp and pull it over. Install the intake trim into the front air dam. Get the screws started on either side. Snug the bolts down. And you're good to go.
When only the best will do, demand TRQ. The only company that lets you view before you do. TRQ is committed to offering the highest quality aftermarket auto parts that are engineered for peace of mind. Thanks for using and viewing with TRQ.